little something like.
My sister, they make her on a lie on a vex. Say Hannah Pans don't make video. Say the support man picking them. Una on too much. I don't even care if una vex safe. Because woman where you don't pass 35 years, he's supposed to know say he don't grow up you don't grow up where if you take care for your own self. You know if you be for Cameroon, you the come man picking where it for Europe. Say your gas don't finish. Your house rent. Your oil. Now which kind of unnecessary complaining that? They buy oil for Cameroon how much? If you feel ask oil, me say you ask credit for phone. Gas. Your mommy born on our gas. You know the gather fiao for backside put 3 stone there you carry pot you stand on top a cook chop. All una only for ask man picking money, ask man picking money. You never she done something, you pray for that boy will call you say their boyfriend. You just pray say where Papa God, but that Europe way they may God bless you. Me even get some small money if you think about you. You know asking money for do business for Cameroon so that me you get money. You ask now about money for gas, money for human hair, money for house rent. You be woman. Me say you decrease. Me say you never decide say you don't be a big woman. You still behave like this small picking for 25 years. Man picking go invite you. Say come here you and he will not get on good time together. Like two grow up people there. You want you come with your friend them. You didn't say come on, so you go tell your friend and say, hey, I don't get some mugu where you don't carry come on upside check say if you joker follow me so about on a cow go drink. You did go for table for drink, you need the compok. You want go there, you never even no 10 francs for your posa. You need a compok. You did command castel. You did command music. You need to suck the music like ice cream. Then you can't talk say that kind of man picking go see you so decide say he won't be with you. If he spend 100,000 that day, he go only spend. I know me no nothing for you. But when you go country, you go live, you go you. You understand? Because even if you know if you get transport for come for play man picking invite you, you know if you get money for pay your own house, you know if you get money for buy gas, where gas finish your Cameroon, you know get money for buy me say if in there Ngomba self no, you know if you ever get money for buy chemical for wash am. Because na agenda that way you supposed to live over that Ngomba to where you fix that Ngomba to fine. So that when man piki enter for inside that Ngomba no, it ele here na ka grishka grash, it ele iboyam. And then you put good fashion in front. Good fashion. If you get good fashion where you be woman, where you don't pass that 36 years, 37, above 40, my sister, your insurance cover you for home and abroad. But if you be so you get that dirty fashion where you grow up with them, that smelly fashion where you don't feel respect man picking, I sorry you. Because you go tight for ESO. You go tight like chingom cats. You there with a boyfriend for house, you say you be Cameroon girl, you not be romantic at all. You know the make no not way your master feel like say you be woman. You just woke up for bed. Woman, you woke up for bed for 10 o'clock. My mommy they be trained with 6 o'clock morning time. Woman don't woke up for bed. You wipe house, do all things, keep up place clean, make small breakfast for your master. You go woke up before bed, say daddy, go clean your face, you come. Your master the only 1 year. Now only number where you come off your scale perfume. Where you don't woke up that morning time before you want to do everything, you don't fair wash. You spray some small agenda perfume, you wear some sexy thing, you pass your front, so you don't put spinach panano for table. You say, daddy, I beg can't chop. Can't chop, your chop don't be ready. If she does on that table, we calculate say. He go start now with that chop first, so he go start now with you. He go start with that chop first, so he go start with you. But he will get them today. He one day for Cameroon now, where they say they over get sense so, they overdone so. Woman go work for 8 o'clock for morning time. Now master go tell you say, where ma make me egg. Fry me egg. Now master they choose chop where go chop. If you can't stand ask him, master say, daddy, you chop egg. You chop it too. Well, mommy, then all this nobody ask their master to do chop. They do and they know their master your timetable. You understand? When I don't pick to do, when I start go enter some kind of life them. When I come, you go work out 10 o'clock or morning time, 8 o'clock morning time. Your master go tell you, say, one chona, egg, you inside kitchen. Now, so wrapper today on top chest. You don't put a wrapper for chest. You don't wear pullover, long pullover like a goalkeeper. You there for this, so you fry egg, one. Your master want turn to one look for kitchen, you therefore they fry egg. You want to put egg for table. Ele number. It is whether the girl want to go cash. You want to go cash now for Cameroon national team or you want to go cash now for side. My sister, but una try change you. Now una try change. Woman, the most of una 80% of una. Now una the make them man picking and today no fit movie 5 franc gain for woman. Because when man picking can follow some decent woman, where that woman you look and say that woman good, he get good heart. That woman they provide for it. It can ask them again for itself. Say so some good woman they still exist. But when all woman good, but not just that stingy attitude to una get them. That spirit of greed and that overworker for nights. When I don't work for night, spirit don't enter for itself on her skin. So it disturb una. Una change. If una not change no. Una go did this so. Yes, una go did this so because una she don't like to say, they get he own too much. Now so it day, I go be like you one day. You will be like some man one day you no get a character. You know if you be like some man one day you no get a character. Learn first for fair respect your own self. As that woman where you don't reach that 36 to 40 something years, respect yourself first. Yes, educate your own self. Give advice for your own self. Then before you want to take some man, you can take it like your brother first. First take it like your brother, treat it like your brother. Treat it like your best friend. You see how you know change from that stage to another stage. If you say man picking a foolish man picking no woman way like you. I know woman way he manage she. Man make una no. So when you don't go drink, you don't carry a friend, they go drink, they suck money so tell like ice cream because you don't have you don't get gas. He travel you can call you say, hey baby, buy me gas. In short, that one mop if una no arrange una mop final. August thunder no, two if you do one for that one mop. Una arrange and find a back. Una want vex, una want hang, una hang. I the talk not true. And any man where he take way to where the talk, he go see and say no. He go leave it fine. You know get you problem. You know get you problem for your relationship. Because woman get for offer, man picking to get for offer. You understand? Man picking get for offer, and man picking offer get for be like a token. It get for be like a retirement for you woman when you get your own money. Because Bible instruct man picking say, make man picking give everything now for you woman when you marry them. So when it come about Jumba, forget you the give it to the give you. Now for that when I learn for can be husband and wife. You understand? So at the back una say, if una 1 year una year. If una no 1 year, no money pay me. I the tongue na my I go forward, I bring my mbakata, I go in front. I no get time. Time no day. Time no day, mommy. When water for turn ice, it take time for dissolve. So you can't lie on a year, on a lie on a no year. But mommy pounds a rate okay, don't work go.